In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generative AI with Grammarly Go. We'll walk through the steps to enhance your writing using this powerful tool. So whether you're crafting professional emails or working on a document, you'll have the support you need to make your writing clear and compelling. The first step is to open a document where you'd like to use Grammarly Go. This could be any document you're currently working on, like an article, a report, or even a creative piece. The beauty of Grammarly Go is that it's integrated directly into your document editing process, providing seamless assistance without needing to switch apps or tools. Once you have your document open, look for the Grammarly Go AI feature. Depending on the platform you're using, this might appear as a small button or icon within your text editor. Clicking on this will activate the generative AI capabilities of Grammarly Go, opening up a range of options to help improve your writing. Now let's focus on what you want the AI to do. Grammarly Go provides several options, allowing you to tailor the AI's assistance to your specific needs. Whether you want to improve the tone of an email, find better word choices, or even restructure sentences for clarity, you'll find helpful suggestions that you can apply instantly. Take a moment to explore these options, as understanding them will greatly enhance your productivity and the quality of your writing. After you've chosen what you'd like the AI to focus on, let Grammarly Go work its magic. It will analyze your text and provide improvements based on your selected preferences. What's particularly powerful about Grammarly Go is its ability to not just highlight spelling and grammatical errors, but to offer nuanced suggestions that enhance the overall readability and impact of your document. This step is hassle-free. Within seconds, your writing is polished and ready to go. Lastly, it's worth noting that Grammarly Go isn't limited to just documents. You can also use it directly in Gmail to enhance your email communications. When composing an email, simply activate Grammarly Go, evaluate the suggestions it offers, and see how it can help you convey your message more effectively. This means you can consistently maintain a professional tone and clarity in all your written communications, right from your inbox. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're ready to harness the full potential of generative AI in Grammarly Go for your writing tasks. Whether you're writing a complex report or a simple email, this tool is designed to support you in producing high-quality work quickly and efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and happy writing with Grammarly Go.